Okay, so I'm sorry that this looks a little funny here. We're gonna do this right now. So number one says skip count the columns in the array. So the columns, remember, go up and down. We're gonna skip count these dots. Some of them are being covered by the letter E, but we'll take care of that in a second. The first one's been done for you. So when we're skip counting, we start with 2 because this is the group of 2. 2 in this column. 2, 4. Then here would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There we go. Then after 10 comes 12, 14, 16. Let's make this a little smaller. There we go. I'm sorry that it's not perfectly lined up. 18. And then the last one is 20. We land on 20. So there are 20 dots in all, 20 circles in all, and we can even count that to double check it if we need to. But we know how to count by twos because we are in second grade. We know that there are 20 dots, circles that make up this array. So now it's asking us to solve down here. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 2, you guys should know your doubles facts, is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 4 is 8. Oh my goodness, look what's happening. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 6 is 12. And this part you should be able to do all on your own. 7 plus 7 is 14. 8 plus 8 is 16. 9 plus 9 is is 18. And 10 plus 10 is 20. Now, 2b says, explain the connection between the array in problem 1 and the answers in problem 2. Well, oh my goodness, let's see. If we just look at these answers, they line up exactly the same as these do. So, when it says explain the connection is that they are the same exact numbers, right? The same exact numbers. So we can say the numbers in, let me make this wider. The numbers in problem 2 are the same as the numbers in problem 1. And then we actually know now that when you count by 2, you're finding doubles. So we're going to say because when you count by 2, you are finding doubles. You're doubling. I hope that makes sense. 1 plus 1 is 2. That's right here. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Then we have 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 3 plus 3, we've got 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, 3 is equal to 6. It would just continue to add up. So that's why those numbers are the same. Now moving on. Fill in the missing numbers on the number path. We already know 20, 22, 24. As you can see, they're counting by twos. So you continue this pattern by counting by twos. Please take the time to do that and then check your work. I will post the answers to that at the end. And then it says fill in the odd numbers on the number path, which means when it says odd numbers, it really just means the numbers that go in between. So the odd numbers would be 1, 3, 5, and so on. All those numbers that go in the blanks. Actually, I will help you out here for a second. We have 26, 28, 30, 32. As you can see, the ones place is what's moving. So you can use a number chart to help you with that as well. Write to identify the bold numbers as even or odd. The first one has been done for you. So it says 6 plus 1 equals 7. An even number, because 6 is an even number, we get there by counting by twos, plus 1, 6 plus 1 equals odd. So let's see right here, 24. Is 24 an even number or is 24 an odd number? Let's look in the ones, let's look in the ones place. If we look here in the ones place, it has an even number, 24. It's even right here, the even number. So we would write an even number plus 1 is equal to, let's see, 24 plus 1. There's a pattern here. 24 plus 1 is 25, equals an odd number. It's the same exact thing here. So I don't know if you can see it, but it really looks like we're almost like making a rule, right? So let's see, 30 is an even number, and I'm adding 1 to it. So an even number plus 1, just like here, even plus 1 equals odd. Even plus 1 equals odd. Even plus 1, 30 plus 1 is 31. We have a 1 in the ones place, which means it's odd. It's still the same rule. Now let's look down here. Let's see if anything changes. We have 6 is an even number. 6, so we have even minus 1 equals 5. 5 is an even or odd number. It's odd. So now we know, let's see if it continues this rule, this pattern. Even minus 1 equals odd. Even plus 1 equals odd. Even minus 1 equals odd. Let's see the next one. 24. 24 is an even number. We know that because we can count by 2's to get there. We have 24 up here. This is the even number path. There's a 4 in the ones place. 4 is an even number. Now, even minus 1. 24 minus 1 is 23. There's a 3 in the ones place, which means it is an odd number. Even minus 1 equals odd. There's a pattern here. It seems like this is going to be what happens every single time. 30 is even. 30 minus 1 equals, we all know it is, 29. So, even minus 1, again, is equal to odd. Those rules will always stay the same. So, it wants to know, are these bold numbers even or odd? Let's see. We always only need to look in the ones place. What number is in the ones place? The 2 or the 8? The 8. The 8 is in the ones place. Can we get to 8 by counting by 2's? Let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes, we can, which means that this is an even number. My explanation is going to be because there's an 8 in the ones place. 8 is in the ones place, and 20 and sorry, and 8 is an even number. That will be my explanation here. Now, let's look here. If I look here, we're only going to look in the ones place again. So if I have the number, I'm going to put this on the side, 39, I'm only looking in the ones place. We have a 9 in the ones place. Is 9 even or odd? It is odd, which means our answer is odd. And our reason is because 9 is odd, because 9 is odd, and 9 is in the ones place. Now let's go to these last two. 45. If we look at the number 45, and we're only looking at the ones place. Notice how I said only the ones place. The reason that part is very important is because if we look in the tens place, we see an even number. It does not matter what's in the tens place. It only matters what's in the ones place. So there's a 5. Is 5 even or odd? 5 is odd. So our explanation is because 5 is in the ones place, and 5 is odd. It's an odd number. There's a few different answers that you could put. This to me is the simplest answer. If you think of a different one that might help you, let me know. Now our last one is 0. If we count by twos, we always will start at 0 because 0 plus 2 equals 2. So 0 is an even number, and this you should have learned if you watched the video that I posted and on Zearn. So we have a 0 in our ones place, so our explanation is, and I want you to come up with this one on your own, and you should see the pattern going on here. Okay, I hope this helped.